Hello, Shinjan sir. It has been a long time. I heard that you're leaving Mac for good. It truly upsetted me, but at the same time, I'd still like to wish you the very best of luck.
Hi, sir. First of all, thank you so much for everything, sir. It's very hard to say goodbye to you, but we have to.
We didn't expect it this too early. I thought we could complete our course before you could leave, but Corona has hit hard to everyone. So this is it.
हाय मुखर्जी सर, मुझे बहुत दुख हो रहा है that you're leaving Mac HSR.
Mac. Mac is like a family, sir. In that family, there is two strongest pillars. That is sir and ma'am. We learned a lot from Mac. We faced too many struggles, but every struggle there is a solution. That solution is you, sir.
My first impression on you is completely different, sir. I'm very much afraid of you at starting of the class, and while asking doubts also, I'm very much afraid. But now everything is changed. You became the most comfortable person to share everything, even my personal issues also. Thank you so much, sir.
So, like my experience, what you like, it's been more than 2 years. So, I think I was the first student in the center, and it was pretty shocking for me. There were no students, and like before coming to Bangalore, I was unaware of it, and I thought how I could mingle with all the students and all, how I could catch up with these guys and all, and it was like out of the course for me. I was not at all aware of what I was going to do, but soon after starting the course, like after 1-2 months, so I was getting a bit interested in all the things, and the reason behind it was you actually. You made it more interesting to learn, and the way you taught like everything's not just the things which were in the course, like out of the box, and every time we asked any of the doubts, uh, you made sure that we understand all the things.
I will also like to say that I will never forget all the tips, tricks, and advices you gave during my time in Mac, and I'll gladly take those to heart and use them for future endeavors.
आपके क्लास की रिप्लेस करने वाली भी कोई भी नहीं है. Always your classes will be from students' point of view. इसी से हम बहुत आसानी से जल्दी सीख लेते हैं.
I hurt sometimes. I get motivated sometimes. I learnt a lot of new things from you, sir. But in my life, most motivated person anyone is there means that is you, sir.
आपकी क्लास बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होता है. एंड ऑफ द एवरी क्लासेस बहुत एंकरेजिंग होता है. आपके डेडिकेशन, आपका सपोर्ट, इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन मैक, like any Mac activities, 24 FPS, 100 hours, DFM, and your advices, it will make us to correct our mistakes a lot.
You are there with us in our every happy moment and sad moments, and you are an inspiration, sir.
So there was a time when I had to nearly quit Mac for some reason, but the way director sir and you helped me a lot throughout your advice and all. So I think in 2019, in the beginning, I started to work for internships and all. So you've been motivating me for that.
I will also never forget that it was your tips, tricks, and feedbacks that allowed me to create a good showreel which helped me to get a job.
आपके क्लास में एक एक कन्नड़ा वर्ड्स बोलते हमें बहुत मज़ा आता था.
Actually, you are like a candle, sir, because it consumes itself to brighter of others. In our life, that candle is you, sir.
Still remember the day when we were making the Jurassic Gate, and we were just three of them, like Kiran, me, and Dikshit, the guy. So yeah, it was very fun actually. I didn't expect that we would complete that. Everything you made, the idea and all, you supported us. We made it, so it was looking awesome, that part. And not just that, after like all throughout all that academic year, we've been taking part in competitions and all, like 24 FPS.
हम जो कुछ भी आज आपके ही आशीर्वाद से
Stay happy and stay healthy, sir. And we want to see your name in movie credits, sir.
I couldn't imagine Mac HSR without Sinjin sir. So he would always be a good memory for us, a good teacher, a mentor, and a motivator for us. So thank you for everything.
2020 में जैसे कोविड आया वैसे ही आपका जाने का खबर मिला. ये दोनों ही year of the tragedy है. We are so grateful to have you, sir. We may miss your face, but we'll never miss your friendship, your classes. Wish you a very good luck for your future, sir.
We love you and we are going to miss you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Love you, sir.
I wish the very best of luck for your future endeavors and everything, and hope we could meet up someday at some part of life, and your teachings would always motivate us. Thank you for everything, and that's it. Goodbye.
May you enjoy a Merry Christmas and enjoy a Happy New Year, and may your ambitions succeed, and may you carry on your goals perfectly. Thank you.
Now, one of the special person is there. That person will talk about you.
Hi, Sanjay sir, how are you and how are you my all lovely students? So I got to know from Gopi and then from Raj that they are creating a video bite. So they asked me to create a small video for you, Sanjay sir. So here what I want to say is then the first day I saw you as a student. I was not at all able to believe that you are a faculty in math. So I thought that you must be a student. We're just performing some the dinosaur or the joke, which is still, I don't know it is still there or not. And it's been for me I think 10 months that I have left back. And after that, what all things has happened, how you have been, and what the attachment, especially which you have with the students, especially Mohit, is more than me, obviously, because he was there before me. And I just hope that whenever you are leaving and wherever you are going, you be the best you are always, and you succeed in all of your life. I just pray for your good health and good wealth, obviously. Secondly, just want to wish all the students, because I miss you so much. I miss my all the students. I miss Rupa, Gopi, everyone. I miss you all. And the days for sir. So lastly, just wanted to say is, do not forget us. Keep in touch with us and be with us always, as you are, as our Sinjin sir, as the VFX sir. So, take care, love you sir, love you, bye students, take care of yourself and be safe. Bye bye.